I saw them, they looked they looked a little bit like an alligator or crocodile, some kind of reptile looking shoes.
Hi guys, welcome to All Things Ghocee. So in today's video I will be trying the Fila Disruptor. I think it's a number 3, but it's close to the number 2 and the premium 2. Now I think the only difference really is just the sole, you know, at the back. But I will insert the pictures to show you the two difference. Now I like plain trainers sometimes, so this is all white. It doesn't have the colourful Fila logo, but it does have the logo, just not in the colour of the Fila Disruptor that you probably see everywhere. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my own. I've been convinced just by the internet really. I mean, it's like blown up in 2018 and I've seen it all over Instagram, and you know, I love the way people have been styling this, so I'm going to unbox this for you, so stay with me. This actually arrived today, so we're going to go through it together and have a look. So that you do not miss anything. Here we go. They're actually pretty cool. I was right though, they look like an alligator or a crocodile or something like that, but they're actually really nice. As I said, the sole is different, slightly different to the Premium 2, Disruptor 2, but I love the way it looks. I mean, it has the Fila at the top, and of course it has like this silver platter type of Fila on the side. Let's go ahead and take this out. Very spacious. Let's give you a good view. This is the soles. Just don't miss anything. Now that I see them, compared to my hand, they're huge, but I think just by the way I'm prepared to style them, they could be really awesome. I've seen people do it. Well, basically you could just wear normal clothes but stick one of these on and they look really cool. But I think if you have an eye for style, you can make it look awesome. They're also known as dad trainers, like making a comeback from the 1990s. At first, honestly, I would not have picked these. If I was to go into a shoe shop, it wouldn't be these, but I guess over the years people's style kind of changed, and when there's something that comes out that's similar to how you like, you know, you like the, I guess, slightly grunge look, or either the preppy look or high fashion look, or in between like a boho babe or something like that. For me, I think these are awesome because it's not something I'm prepared to wear every single day. It's one of those things, if I'm going somewhere really nice and I just want to style an outfit out, casual, smart, these will be awesome to throw on top. You know, a lot of people like designer brands, so I actually haven't had a Fila in years, since I was very young, and the reason being is because I just went off Fila. But they're coming back, and I think with all brands really, everybody's actually up their game in the style industry, and that's one way to get the millennials to shop. I will get that word right, I promise. So I wasn't really feeling them to begin with, but with a few convincing images, videos, outfits, I was tempted to get one myself. Now, these ones were actually like £85, but I didn't pay that much for them. I actually paid a little bit less, in the 60s. They were actually from Urban Outfitters, so if you're looking to purchase anything like this, you can try it there. But like I said, plenty of brands have them now up on their website, including Fila. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I'll just put the two up together so you can see. This one still has the tag on it. Yeah, you can see it's Fila. Two together. Soles. So, as I said, I will be trying them in my next video, so I hope you guys like this one and stay tuned for the next.